if you're buying without any emotional attachment to something, it's painful to buy. Like if something you have to buy and something you don't care about and something that doesn't give you any emotion, it's money you have to spend that you do begrudgingly. And all that's going to lead to is clients wanting to change orders and clients begrudgingly spending money on you and minimal sales, and it becomes dirty to them because, you know, I know
they just have to check a box.
I know I have to get my car serviced. And that $800 bill that came last time, I begrudgingly have to pay. But the fact that I love my car, I have this love for this car. I'm so proud to go down there and take the car down there and for it to be lavished by these people. You know, I'm not taking it to Ultra Tune.